before polishing, you will see it has some scratches. Okay, now I will show you about this foam. Okay, this is the UV light. After drying, then it's fine. We can put it into the polishing machine. Okay, then we put some on the ear mesh place. Use the blaze. Yes, that's fine. Very easy. And again, put into the UV light. It's for around 20 seconds. Okay, this blanket is dry, so we need to put some water, make it wet. Put some water. Okay.
先让它吸饱水。
Okay, need to make it ensure it have the water on the blanket. Now we put the mold. Put the mold. Okay, and like this way. This machine one time can put 4 foams. And turn on. Okay, it's starting now. After starting, then we put some powder with the water inside. Come up. It stop by itself. Okay, and then we use the wiper or the paper to clean it. Okay.
10分钟以上。
Okay, after polishing, so it's very nice. Okay, now we remove this glue. Just remove it, it's fine. Okay, yes, this is glue.